Hi everyone, welcome back again to David's tutorial, and today I will show you or help you to register your HSBC credit card. So first of all, the step one for this is you need to download the HSBC Philippines app. Next is to agree to their terms and conditions. Just check the box for I accept the terms and conditions, then click continue. Next is enter your credentials. To verify your identity using your debit card number and ATM PIN, your date of birth and mobile number or your phone banking number and phone banking PIN. So you should ready this up. And for credit cards, choose credit card number for registration mode. Enter or input your 16-digit credit card number, the last four digits of the mobile number you provided us, and the date of birth or your date of birth. Next, enter the one-time SMS code sent via your phone and press continue. After that, just set up login details by creating a username, password, and security answer, and also a mobile PIN. After that, if your registration has been completed, then a confirmation page will appear to show you have successfully set up your app. And that is all, and you can now readily use your HSBC anywhere and anytime.